In a rapidly changing world, training must also change. Digital technologies, artificial intelligence, and extended reality are transforming the way we live, work, and learn. In the construction sector, where practical experience and safety are crucial, innovating teaching is a challenge that TEXIVOS has decided to take up. TEXIVOS, Testing XR4ED in Vocational School, is a project developed by R2M Solution and IIPLE, the Construction Workers Training Center in Bologna. It is part of XR4ED European project, funded by the Horizon Europe program to promote the use of immersive technologies for education and training. TEXIVOS' goal is clear: to bring extended reality to vocational training, making it more interactive, effective, and engaging. Through simulation and immersive digital environments, students and workers can learn in a safe, realistic, and dynamic way. They learn to recognize risk, manage emergencies, and perform maneuvers and procedures without running real risk. To do this, IIPLE and R2M have created a new teaching methodology, extending training, a combination of traditional pedagogy and immersive technology based on experiential learning and discussion. Two modules were developed in extended reality, one dedicated to construction site safety and a technical operational one to simulate practical activities in virtual environments. IIPLE instructors learned to use headsets and the XR4ED platform, designing immersive experiences for their students. Young and adult students, in turn, were able to experience a new way of learning, more participatory, more aware, more stimulating. The result speaks for themselves: greater motivation, faster learning, deeper understanding of safety rules. TEXIVOS demonstrates that extended reality is not the future of training, it is already the present. A present in which technology serves people, knowledge, and safety. Thanks to TEXIVOS, IIPLE will continue to integrate extended reality into its training programs, training a new generation of technicians and professionals capable of building safer, more sustainable, and more digital construction. The results of TEXIVOS will allow R2M to further explore the use of extended reality tools in the construction and advanced manufacturing sectors, as well to test AI-based solutions for assessing skills and assessing the workforce for young people and adults.